Hey beauties! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks for looking and feeling your best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more valuable information. Today, we're diving into the world of natural beauty tips for both men and women. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. We all want to look and feel our best. And the good news is, you don't need expensive products to achieve that. Taking care of our skin is important, and using natural products is a great way to do that. Natural ingredients can be just as effective, if not more so, than their synthetic counterparts. This essay will give you easy tips to get glowing skin. From DIY face masks to the best natural moisturizers, we've got you covered. We'll talk about simple things you can do every day. Small changes in your routine can make a big difference over time. Get ready to embrace your natural beauty. Let's get started. Remember, beauty is about feeling good in your own skin. So let's dive in and discover how you can enhance your natural glow. Ladies, let's talk about enhancing our natural radiance. Beauty isn't just about makeup. It's about taking care of our skin from the inside out. Today, we'll share some simple yet effective beauty secrets that can help you achieve that glowing, healthy skin you desire. First, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Water helps to flush out toxins from your body, which can lead to clearer skin. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and consider adding a slice of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C. Next, exfoliate gently 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin. Exfoliation helps to unclog pores and can prevent breakouts. Use a gentle scrub or an exfoliating brush, and be sure to follow up with a good moisturizer to keep your skin soft and smooth. A simple scrub made from sugar and honey works wonders. This natural exfoliant is not only effective but also gentle on the skin. Mix equal parts sugar and honey, apply it to your face in circular motions, and rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel instantly refreshed and rejuvenated. Don't forget about the power of a good night's sleep. When you sleep, your skin repairs itself, so aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Lack of sleep can lead to dark circles and a dull complexion. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you unwind and get the rest you need. Finally, protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays by wearing sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. UV rays can cause premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, and reapply every 2 hours if you're spending time outdoors. Remember, beautiful skin is healthy skin. By following these simple beauty secrets, you can enhance your natural radiance and feel confident in your own skin. Take care of yourself, and your skin will thank you. Now, gentlemen, it's your turn. Skincare isn't just for women, it's a vital part of self-care for everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of sandalwood, a time-honored ingredient that has been cherished for centuries. Sandalwood is a fantastic natural ingredient that can do wonders for your skin. Its benefits are numerous, ranging from its soothing properties to its ability to combat inflammation. It has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Whether you're dealing with redness, irritation, or just want to give your skin a calming treat, sandalwood is your go-to. Create a simple sandalwood face mask by mixing sandalwood powder with rose water to form a paste. This combination not only smells divine but also provides a cooling effect that your skin will love. Apply it to your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with cool water. This mask will help to cleanse your pores, reduce acne, and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Your skin will feel refreshed and rejuvenated. The natural oils in sandalwood help to lock in moisture, ensuring your skin stays hydrated throughout the day. Sandalwood can also help with razor burn. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and irritation, providing instant relief. Mix a bit of sandalwood powder with coconut oil and apply it to the affected area for relief. This mixture not only soothes but also nourishes the skin, promoting faster healing. Embrace the power of sandalwood and elevate your skincare routine. Incorporate this traditional ingredient into your daily regimen and experience the timeless benefits it offers. Your skin will thank you for it. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these simple and natural tips into your daily routine, you can achieve healthy, glowing skin from within. Remember, True beauty comes from loving and taking care of yourself. Thank you for joining me on this journey to natural beauty. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found these tips helpful. Share it with your friends and family so they can also benefit from these amazing natural remedies. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty secrets and tutorials. Until next time, stay beautiful.